What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing 2 or 3 holiday hairstyles featuring Curlsqueen clip-in hair extensions. I'd like to thank Curlsqueen for sponsoring this video, and as you can see, they sent me out a bundle of their water jerry curly clip-in hair extensions in 3C, 4A, and is 16 inches. They also included in the package a detangling brush in rose gold, a satin hair bonnet in gold, which is going to come in very handy, and they also sent extra clips for the clip-in hair extensions. So we are just going to get started, and as you can see, I am working with an old twist out. So I just recently did a twist out on my hair, and to stretch my hair to keep it from matting up, I usually put it in chunky twist, as you see here. And when I was taking out the twist, I realized that the hair extensions looked very much like my normal twist out pattern. So I think I'm going to go ahead and use the extensions on this old twist out versus using it for a wash and go. So what we're going to do is go ahead and take down some of these twists, enough for me to get some leave out, so I'm able to hide the extensions. And guys, you're gonna have to bear with me. This is my very first time using clip-in extensions, so we're gonna see how I do. So I'm getting some leave out from the top around my part area, and then I'm getting leave out for my edges as well. I'm gonna go ahead and clip the leave out of the way so I can go ahead and just flat twist the rest of this hair. And I'm flat twisting it because I want it to be secure to my scalp so that the clip-in extensions don't move around too much. And as I was twisting this, I was like, you know what, let me leave a little bit of leave out right above my ear as well, in case I want to pin my hair up. So once I got done twisting that up, I took several of the twists and I just stretched them across the back of my head and I clipped them away. And in the midst of doing that, I realized I wanted to have some leave out in the back too, just in case. Like I said, I pinned up my hair, so I decided to take a little bit of hair out of that back twist and leave it out. So I'm going to go ahead and twist it back up, and I'm going to pin it away with the rest of those twists. So I'm going to take the leave out that I got for my left side, pin it out of the way, and then I'm going to move over to the right side and pretty much do the same thing. So I'm just taking out those jumbo twists that I had in, getting some hair near my part as a leave out, and then I'm going to get some hair right around the edges and right above my ear as some leave out as well. And then we are going to pin it away so that we can twist the remaining hair back up so that the clip-ins will have something to hold on to. So here I'm just clipping the leave out of the way, and I'm going to go ahead and loosely to strand twist this bottom section of the hair. And then I'm going to flat twist that top section, again making sure that it's really secure to my head so that the clip-ins won't move around too much, and hopefully I have less pulling and things like that on my natural hair. So once I get it twisted up, I'm going to go ahead and stretch those twists to the opposite side of my head, and I'm going to pin those away. Now guys, I know you probably only see me using 1 or 2 bobby pins, but believe me, I am using more. I'm trying to get those twists as secured down to my scalp as possible. Again, I'm going to go ahead and just get a little bit of leave out of this back twist just in case I need it, and then I'm going to twist the remaining hair back up, and I'm going to go ahead and make sure that all the twists are secured to my head so that we can start applying the clip-ins. Whew, guys, I'm nervous about this, so I hope it comes out okay, and I hope you enjoy it. So this is going to be beginner friendly. This is my first time using clip-ins, so hopefully any of you who have never used them after seeing this video, you will be able to feel a little bit more confident in using extensions if need be. So now that I see that I got my leave-in the way I want it and parted the way I want it, I'm going to go ahead and clip that leave-in out of the way so we can start applying the clip-ins. And this is what my hair looks like in the back after I got everything pinned out of the way. So right here I'm showing you the clip-in extensions, the Water Jerry Curly, and these extensions have 5 clips on them. As you can see, they are the largest ones, and I got 2 of these. So I'm going to use those in the back, and I'm going to take it from ear to ear. Not sure if those are the ones I'm supposed to use or not, but those are the ones I'm using. It seemed to have worked. And I'm going to go ahead and just secure those clips in my hair and close them, snap them closed. And as you can see, it's pretty simple to do. So I was shocked at how simple it was. And there you go. They are attached. They're clipped in. How about that? And I'm amazed. I'm looking at my hair that's left out, and I'm like, wow, that's my hair, and it looks so close to the clip-ins that they sent me. So now I'm taking the next largest, and I'm just applying that right above the first clip-in extension that I put in, and I'm clipping it in, snapping it closed, and making sure that everything is secure, as you can see. So yeah, guys, there we go. That's the second one in, and it's already looking really full and matching very well. So now what I'm going to do is just speed it up, and I'm going to continue to add in the clip-ins, and they are getting smaller as they go up. This one I believe has 4 clips, so I used it right above the other ones. The next one I'm putting in actually has 4 clips as well, and I'm just using those basically on the sides. So just fill in where I don't have any clip-ins, and then that's where I'm just trying to fill in. So they gave me 2 of those. Now I'm going in with the next smallest size. I believe these have 3 clips, and I got 2 of those as well. And then I believe I got 4 of the smaller clips. So altogether they sent me a bundle which had 10 extensions in it. So now I'm just going in with the smaller ones, filling in where I need to, trying to get as close to the part as possible, but not too close to my scalp. And yeah, just filling in the back there. And guys, I'm running out of clip-ins, so I'm trying to be real strategic on how I place them. So I thought I wasn't going to have enough, but luckily I had just enough clip-ins, so I didn't have any left over. I used all 10, and it worked out. So now I'm just basically taking my leave out, as you see there, and trying to, you know, just make sure that it blends well with the clip-ins, and it looks like it does. So I am pleasantly surprised. So there you have it, guys. I have all the clip-ins in. My hair looks frizzy in areas. It looks more defined in other areas, but I like that. I like the texture that it gives my hair, and I've always said that. So I'm happy with that, and I'm just fluffing it out. I'm feeling it. It feels nice. It doesn't feel overly wiry or anything. It feels like real hair. So that is a plus. So yeah, this is an easy way to just have your hair put away and still have a twist out or a wash and go. So my edges over here are a little bit more frizzy than I'd like, and I thought about twisting them up to get them to match the clip-ins a little bit better, but then I decided just to put a little bit of edge control on there and smooth them back a little bit. And so that's what you see me doing there. Now I don't really slay my edges or anything, but I did kind of smooth them, and that is what you see. Now for the holiday look, I'm going to go away and get dressed, put on a little bit of makeup, guys, and I'll be right back. So here we go. Here is the holiday look. I've put on a red shirt, a red lip, smoky eye a little bit, and there you go. Just wanted to let you see what the clip-ins look like. A little bit more dressed up, so you can wear them like this, just nice and full and big. And of course, if you wanted to pick them and kind of tease the hair a little bit and get it even bigger, you can. I didn't do anything extra to this hair. I didn't cut it. I didn't shape it. I didn't do anything like that. So if you are familiar with clip-ins or wigs and you usually shape yours around your face and you cut them to the shape and the length that you like, feel free to do that with these, but I didn't do anything, so you can see that they still work even though you don't do any of those things. Now that was the first style, so I am thinking about, someone may want to wear their hair clipped up for the holidays, so this is style 2, where I'm taking my hair and I'm going to try to do an updo. Now I will say that these clip-ins are real hair and it is kind of thick, so I did not have the perfect clip for holding my hair up. So what I had to do was end up going with one of my big claw clips, which is not the prettiest, but you get the idea. So if you're going for a holiday look and you want to use something that is a little bit more dainty, a little bit more festive or whatever, then be sure that you get multiples so that you can get all the hair clipped into it. Now I'm just taking bobby pins and just clipping up loose pieces the way that I need it to be to keep the hair in place. So yeah, guys, I was kind of, you know, struggling a little bit here, pulling out a little bit of my hair in the back. That's the leave out of my real hair. I just pulled it out so you guys can kind of see what it would look like. Again, lay your edges if you want to, do whatever you want to do to make it festive. If you have some hair jewelry you want to put in your hair, you can, to help, you know, make it a little bit more festive for the holidays. That will really work too. So here you go. This is style number 2, and this is what the back looks like. So I did get a little piece of jewelry to put in my hair just to show you what it would look like if you wanted to use a headband or something like that. This is not a headband, it's just actually a necklace, but I'm putting it on my hair just to show you what you can do for the holidays or for a special occasion. So yeah, there you go. Alrighty, so then I'm thinking, okay, taking that down, and I'm thinking, well, why don't we just do a pin up on the side as a third hairstyle? So again, if you want to just take your hair over to one side, that's a nice look as well. And you can put, again, some type of hair jewelry in your hair to make it a little bit more festive and a little bit more dressy. But this is what the back looks like. And yeah, guys, that's it. So again, I'd like to thank Curlsqueen for sending me these hair extensions. All the information about the extensions will be in the description box, along with a discount code. So if you're interested in getting any, feel free to look down there. And guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.